Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dean. Today I'll be cooking some sausages with some mashed potatoes. Okay, yeah, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I got my indoor grill pan. I'm gonna toast up the sausages on there, get them nice and toasty. I like my stuff well done, so I'm gonna do it a little bit well done, and then I'll move on to the next step. Once I get them all nice and cooked, I'm gonna cut them up, some tomato and some veggies, and cook it down into a nice sauce. Put my potatoes on too. Put some potatoes on over there, and yeah, just gonna do this for a little while and get it nice and toasty. Go from there. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a little flip. Move it. I like to keep them a steady rotation. They're cold right now, they're in the fridge. Keep a steady rotation so it doesn't burn too much on one side. You know, because the middle is gonna take a while to get even warm. You know, so you gotta keep rotating so the whole sausage get nice and hot and cooks evenly. It's nice and sweet. Keep it on a rotation, guys. But I'm gonna cut them in half when it gets nice and toasty on the outside. Make sure the middle gets cooked. If you get them on this side, go for it, but I know it's kind of hard. You know what? If I turn it sideways, get it in a groove. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. I haven't done them in a while. I like these sausages. I have a barbecue grill. Like if it was summertime, I would do it on a barbecue grill. I'm going to be doing some cooking on the barbecue grill as well. But for now, it's more indoor. For sure, we're going to be doing some barbecue grill. Especially this, you know, weather's going to get nice soon enough. Let's keep it rotating, guys, not too high with the heat. So guys, you know, it cooks. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut them in half now. So the middle part gets cooked. It doesn't take too long. As you can see, this part stir up. Open it up, trying to space down in there. But if I don't do that, then the outside is going to get really burnt and the inside is going to still be raw. And as I said guys, I like my stuff well done. So brought up. guys, these are done. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. I got some of my basic veggies here: tomato, green onion, white onion, and garlic. Started to the next step. Okay guys, I'm gonna start cooking up my veggies now. Put a little bit of oil. About that. Yeah. Let that get a little bit hot, and then throw the veggies in. Cook it down to a nice gravy, and then throw the sausages in. Just fry up a little bit, and then throw my sausages in. Okay guys, I got my veggies fried up nicely. I'm gonna throw my sausages in there, cut it to these size. Sorry guys, trust me, I need to try this guys. It's delicious. These sausages are great. Almost anything, you could cook it with rice, you know. But I like it with a mashed potato or rice. Pretty good. Let them kind of marry each other, simmer together a little bit. That's it guys, some mashed potato and sausages. That's how I do it. I like it like this. It's delicious. Try it, let me know if you like it. If you want to know something, I like it. But alright, bye. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cooking with Dean. Come again guys, come cook with me. If you want me to cook something, let me know. I got a few more videos on my channel. Whatever you like, check it out. Got some art, got some more stuff coming. You know, stick with me. I'm gonna be doing a lot. All right.